Hi everybody, and welcome to the Minds channel. So we're looking at Minds social network. This is going to be an overview of the Minds social network platform, and I strongly suggest that you subscribe to this channel for more great videos, and also you'll find the link in the video description how to sign up to Minds social network. Get on there, share your ideas, your creative content, or just sit back and enjoy everyone else's really cool videos and posts that they have on there. Some really good reading. So let's get straight into it. So we've got a lot of good stuff here. We've got the Minds platform here. I'm on the Canary version. You can see the top left there. You can see my profile icon, Superman, which is my YouTube blogger name, on the top there. You can see a little bell with notifications, so that's pretty standard. And you can also see plus speak my mind, so I can write a really cool post myself if I want to. You can also see speak my mind here, and if I click on that, it will also, if I click on there, it will actually put in a new post. So I just go like that, and I can speak my mind, and I can create a really cool blog post. I can upload a video. I can make it adult orientated. I can monetize it to the monetized community. I can put tags on there so that people will pick that up when they're searching for certain topics like money or a lifestyle, something like that. And then I can click the post button, and I can also post that on a schedule. So it's pretty neat, really easily done. So that's easy the way you do it. So you basically just sign up, hit the link below, you'll get on here. Now the top left, I've got Compose. That's also like Speak My Mind. I can click Compose there, and it'll bring up that dialog box as well. So easy to fill out, and you just type away. So if I did that, I could just type some stuff in there, upload something. That's how easy it is, folks, to just get on there. Now there is a news feed, so if I follow people, I can see, you can see on the right here suggested channels. So the people that are being suggested, some of them may be what they call boosted, which is basically means that they've boosted their channel and they've spent a little bit of Minds tokens. So the platform has got an online currency, which is also on the blockchain. So we're offline, it's on the platform and it's called Minds token, but it's also on the blockchain, which means that it's on the Ethereum blockchain as a token called Minds, which is an ERC20 token. So common, that's what is the common token on Ethereum. And Ethereum is the largest, biggest crypto blockchain in the world after Bitcoin. So pretty cool. Now you can obviously subscribe to there just by looking. You can actually see a little bit of breakdown of all these different people. Lots of different people, random, all around the world. Some of them are funny profiles, some of them are real people. Some of them just just like doing memes or something like that. So there's lots of different people you can check out. So that's on the top right there, and you can actually boost your channel to get yourself suggested there. The other side, you got news feed. So you actually, if you're following people on there, you'll actually get people's the latest posts on there. There's all sorts of things like poems, arts, all sorts of stuff there. You can see lots of different things. Mine's new reward system. There's lots of different stuff there. So on the next one is discovery. So you can discover new channels. You can say just for you. You can look at your tags, things that you might have put in there, trending, things that are trending, politics, free speech, MAGA, gun control, Bitcoin, video games, Trump, guns, Joe Biden, censorship, all sorts of politics, entertainment, you name it, it's all on there. Freedom, COVID, you name it, it's all on there. So lots of different topics. Memberships you can have as well. So memberships are really cool. And you can also have boosted stuff that's actually been boosted. So when you boost stuff, you use the platform's Mind tokens, and you earn those each day just by engaging on the platform. We'll check that shortly. So that's pretty cool. And these are boosted ones that I see it's been boosted, and you can check those out. So it really is a great way of discovering new content that you enjoy. Where you might like horses, you can look at for horses. If you like money management, you can look for money management. It's pretty cool. Then there's Minds Plus. Now Minds Plus is the premium services, and you can get yourself onto that by paying $60 US a year, or you can pay that $5 a month, something like that. So we'll check that in a second. So you've got lots of people there who've all got their Mind posts, and you can go check out their stuff, and you get a share of the revenue in Mind tokens for that, or even cash. This has cash as well, cash rewards. So pretty cool. Then you have a wallet, and your wallet will have your tokens in there, and you'll get a payout. You can see my estimate today is 0.12 tokens, so 9 cents US at the moment, and it all depends on the amount of points that you get. So I haven't done a lot on the platform today, so I've just got a low amount of points. If I do a high amount of points, then I'll get a lot amount of points. So that's how it works. Now Minds has got a new what they call tokenomics, or a new incentive system set up, and so it's really just only been around for a week or two, and so it's a really great time for you to get on to this platform and start earning mine tokens, which can be changed into US dollars. So pretty cool, or any other currency. Analytics is analytics there. It shows you your page views, your impressions, what all that sort of measures that you're doing. So you can check that out, and it will give you the running total. Now you can also do the tokens. You get analytics for your tokens. These are all tokens for everybody, so that's pretty neat. And it's also got transactions that have been going on, rewards. This is for the whole Mines platform, so it gives you all that data plus liquidity, what the financials are as well. So you can see total liquidity is 1.6 million US dollars, pretty good. You can see the price up the top right there, one mines equals 78 cents, so that's pretty cool. It's been over $1 just recently, and that's really positive. So that's one mine. It was almost $1 just yesterday and the day before. So pretty neat. Now you've got engagement, what your engagement stats are, earnings, what your earnings are, trending, what's trending on your posts that you've been doing. So you can see the different ones. Had what one Bitcoin buy and stake action, and there's almost 2,000 views on that. Pretty nice. So pretty cool. And then you've got earn. So you can earn, and there's many different ways. Increase your token earnings. You can add liquidity to Uniswap, which is an exchange, a market exchange for the Ethereum and Mines trading pair. You can transfer on-chain, which means that you can transfer your tokens to an on-chain wallet on the Ethereum blockchain. You can create content, which is the main way that a lot of people do. They create content, or you can even refer people. So if you want to join and do that, you can hit the link below, and you'll get on there as well. Now you get points for everything that you do engaging. It's pretty neat. So pretty cool, or almost everything anyway. So you can earn as well. So that's what we just went through. You can buy cryptocurrency, so you can do it with a card or bank, or you can use crypto. And if you use crypto, you can just use a MetaMask wallet, which is an extension on the Chrome browser, or Firefox. You can use that, and you can put Ethereum in it, and then buy Mines tokens on Uniswap. So it's pretty easy to use from that point of view. And then finally, we've got the Boost, and Boost is very popular. So if you've got content, you don't know how to reach it out to people, you can actually use mine tokens that you earn just by engaging on the platform, liking somebody's post, or your post getting liked by somebody, or comments being liked. You get rewarded for that, and you can then spend that on boosting your own posts. So it's pretty cool. Or you can just accumulate the mine tokens as an income. So pretty neat on that. You can also boost your channel on here, so I can actually put in mines. So I've got one mine token in there, so I could do 500 views. I can get 500 views, incredible, just for half a token, and that's about 40 cents US. That's not bad. And then I can boost my channel, and that can get put up there in the top right corner and get presented to people up the top there. So let me just go back. Let me just get out of that one and go back up here. So I get myself suggested on the right, suggested channels there. So pretty neat. So that boost is very powerful to use. And then of course you've got your own profile, and it's got, you've put in all your posts that you've got. So there's a different post that I'm doing. Obviously I'm promoting Axion today. So Axion token, which is basically an investment and certificate of deposit. It's pretty neat. You invest Axion and you get wrapped Bitcoin, so it's pretty good. And you can see my profile there, my subscribers and subscriptions and views. So pretty nice there. So I've got 432 subscribers and 45,870 views. So pretty cool. I haven't been on here long either. So then you've got your settings, so you can set up your settings, and you've got all these things: display name, email, all the stuff that you would expect to see there. Your pro account, etc., and your billing, all that sort of stuff there. It's pretty easy to use. Automated videos, share buttons, all that sort of stuff. Notifications as well. You can do email notifications and popovers, and you can also upgrade to Pro. So I'm currently on the Mines Plus one, which is the first level of paid ones, and I get a revenue share there. But if I want to upgrade, I can actually upgrade to Pro levels, which is pretty cool. And then you can add groups on your left, and I've added all these different type of groups that I'm interested in, so that fits my interests. But obviously, if you want to, if you go to Mines, also you can. You'll see all the latest posts that were in there. This is the Mines Plus Club that I'm a part of, so I get a revenue share based on the posts that I put up, and so that's pretty neat. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then obviously the wallet's very important. You've got tokens at the top, and then you've got cash to the right, and you can earn both of those, $1.05 there, and you've got my tokens there as well. And every day I earn more, so it's pretty cool. So I've got earnings tab here, pretty neat, and you get your revenue share here. Obviously, it's not much because I haven't done much today. And the balance here, you get all what your running balance is, your transactions. So you can see I've boosted a lot of stuff here. I get a reward, so pretty good. And then settings, I can set that up. I got my on-chain address and my Bitcoin address in there. So pretty cool. You add your addresses in as needed. And then you can do it for cash as well. You can add your cash address in there and get stuff. So that's pretty cool, and it pay out in your own currency, so that's pretty neat, and so forth. So I think that's a pretty good overview. I hope you enjoyed that. Obviously, I've got some notifications there, so I've got lots of people there liking comments, making comments, and I'm getting points for all those. And then if I go back to my wallet under tokens, I can see those adding up. So this is very important to look at. So if you get your engagement, basically you'll get points. So here's the points. I get summary of the points. If I check into the site, I get 2 points every 2 hours. If I get comments on there, I get 2 points on those comments on something I've done. Subscribers, if I get someone subscribing to my channel, I get 4 points. Votes, if people like what I'm commenting on, they'll give me some votes for that, or if they like my post, they'll vote me up, and then I'll get 5. I've got 5 points for that, so 5 people have done that. Now all that added up is 13 points, and because if there's an activity multiplier, so your account activity levels determine your multiplier. This is the real boost. So the more that you're on there every day, then you move up. So I'm on hardcore level 3, which is the highest. So average 6 days over the past 6 days I've been on, and so it's giving me a multiplier of 3, which is huge. So if you've only been on there active 1 day over the past 7 days, then you've got only 1 for 1. So you don't only have 13 points. But because I've been got a 3 multiplier for being on there 6 days in a row, I've got 39 points. So 13 times 3 multiplier is 39 points. And that's pretty cool. So that's 39 points I got. The total network score, or the total community score points, is 116,000. Now, obviously, there's 17 hours to go in the day, so that will go up. So I need to keep engaging to keep my percentage up. So my percentage at the moment of that is 0.034. And so what happens is that my reward at the moment is 0.117, which is 0.034%, that one there. Times the reward each day. So there's 4,000 tokens, mine tokens, available every day for your engagement. So it's pretty awesome, and that's US dollar currency. So pretty fun there. So I hope you enjoyed this one as an overview of mines. I will go into things a lot more in depth in future videos. So please subscribe. Join up to the Mine Social Network. It's going to really explode. We've got with all the new tokenomics there, incentives, and I'll go into those in my next videos. I would like you to like and share and hit the bell for notifications, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers.